Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Honeywell 7120 Barcode Scanner with USB Cable Review 2026. Honeywell handheld scanner terminal solutions continue to be among the most trusted products used in retail stores, warehouses, offices, libraries, healthcare facilities, and inventory management environments. The Honeywell -7120 Barcode Scanner with USB cable white is a compact and efficient scanning device designed to simplify barcode capture while improving productivity. Check the video description for the updated price link. Whether you are running a small business, managing inventory, processing transactions at a point-of-sale station, or organizing product databases, this scanner offers a dependable scanning experience. In 2026, businesses demand fast, accurate, and durable barcode scanning equipment. The Honeywell -7120 addresses these needs with a proven scanning engine, ergonomic design, USB connectivity, and compatibility with a wide variety of software systems. This review explores the scanner's key features, performance, advantages, disadvantages, and frequently asked questions to help determine whether it is the right choice for your operation. The Honeywell -7120 Barcode Scanner offers several features that make it a valuable asset in professional environments where speed and accuracy matter. One of the strongest aspects of this Honeywell handheld scanner terminal is its ability to capture barcodes quickly and efficiently. Fast barcode recognition helps reduce checkout times, improve workflow efficiency, and increase employee productivity. The included USB cable allows easy setup without complicated installation procedures. Most systems recognize the scanner automatically, enabling users to begin scanning almost immediately after connecting the device. The compact design makes the scanner suitable for crowded workstations and retail counters. Its streamlined shape helps save valuable desk space while maintaining accessibility. The scanner is engineered to deliver consistent performance even during extended work shifts. Reliable decoding capabilities minimize scanning errors and reduce frustration during high-volume operations. The Honeywell -7120 can be used across multiple industries including retail, healthcare, logistics, manufacturing, education, and inventory management environments. The Honeywell -7120 stands out because of its practical and professional design. The white exterior provides a clean appearance that fits seamlessly into modern retail counters, office environments, and reception desks. Its durable construction helps withstand daily usage in demanding work environments. Employees who spend hours scanning products appreciate equipment that remains dependable throughout long shifts, and this scanner is built with that goal in mind. The compact footprint allows businesses to maximize available workspace. Unlike larger scanning systems that can clutter workstations, the -7120 maintains efficiency without occupying excessive room. Installation is one of the easiest aspects of the Honeywell -7120 Barcode Scanner. The included USB cable simplifies connectivity and enables quick deployment across various computer systems and POS terminals. Users generally appreciate plug-and-play functionality because it reduces setup time and minimizes technical support requirements. Businesses with multiple checkout stations can install scanners rapidly without extensive configuration. This ease of deployment makes the device especially appealing for small businesses, startups, and organizations seeking cost-effective scanning solutions. Performance remains the most important factor when evaluating any Honeywell handheld scanner terminal. The -7120 performs exceptionally well in everyday barcode scanning applications. Accurate barcode reading reduces delays and improves operational efficiency. The scanner consistently captures barcode information with minimal rescans, helping employees complete tasks more quickly. Check the link in the description to get yours today.